Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 3 amazing airdrops through which you can earn a lot of rewards. So if you didn't join my telegram channel yet, then please check the description of this video. I will provide the link over there, and from there you can join my telegram channel because I provide all the best airdrops there. So let's move on to telegram, and let's just open our telegram channel now. This is our telegram channel, hidden airdrop finder. So the first airdrop is evaluation airdrop. We will get around $100 worth AVL. It may vary, but it's about around this. So click on this fill form and open this on any browser. We will get a page like this. So each participant will receive $10 worth AVL, and and every referral will get you $1 AVL. So you can also do refer by just telling everyone, those who fill form, tell your telegram username which you used to fill form. So we have to do all these tasks right now. So click on this join telegram update channel, then click on this link, open it on telegram and join their telegram group. Then click on follow us on Twitter here on the link. Now it is opening, so please wait for it to open. Now the page is loaded successfully. Click on follow, and now let's just check back. And the third task is retweet pinned post on our Twitter page. So let's just check. This is the pinned post, so we need to like this and click on retweet. Like this and click on retweet. Now click on retweet because we just need to retweet. We don't need any comment with this, so only retweet. So go back to the Brave browser now, go back to the page and then join our telegram chat. Click on this link below the join our telegram chat, and now join this. After you have joined this, then go back to the page, and these are the optional tasks you can do if you want, otherwise it's not necessary. You can also refer your friends if you want. Referral is also not necessary. Joining on Medium is also not necessary. If you want for more tokens, you can join this, and joining on GitHub is also not necessary. If you want, then you can join. So now we have to enter all the our telegram username. My telegram username is this, so I'm writing like that. And Twitter username I already told you in the previous videos, in which we join many airdrops of having Twitter tasks. So there you can check how to get the Twitter username. Okay, now what we need to do here, retweet link. We need to get retweet link. So open Twitter account, click on the top left 3 bars, then open your profile. Here you get our your retweet link. Click on share button, click on copy link, go back to the page, just paste it over here. Then you need Binance Smart Chain BEP20 address. This you will get from Trust Wallet. I hope you have already downloaded that wallet, because from there only you will get all your addresses where you will get your earnings. So scroll down. This is the Binance Smart Chain. Click on copy and paste it over here. Then Telegram username refer. Here you need to enter @otherspatel25. The code I have provided already in the Telegram channel, so you can just enter it over there. Enter @otherspatel25 and click on submit. So after you have done all these tasks, then what you need to do here, then you just now you have successfully joined the first airdrop, evaluation airdrop. Now you have joined successfully. Now you need to join the second airdrop also if you want. So let's scroll up, and this is BSC bond airdrop bot. Get 10 BSCD tokens, which is worth $50. So click on this, claim here, click on this link. After claim here, click on start and click on join airdrop. You will get $50 worth earnings here. So now here are our tasks. Click join our telegram group with a positive comment. So click on join and then leave any comment over here. This is an amazing project with bright future. You can write any of your comment, any positive comment. Now we have to join their Telegram channel. Click on join, go back. Now follow on Twitter, retweet pinned post and tag 10 friends with BSCB. So you have to tag 10 friends over there. So if you have 10 followers, then you can tag all these, or if you don't have, then you can join any of the group, or follow other for following. So you can follow for follow. You can apply this trick and follow other friends and tell them to follow you back, so that you will get your followers, and then you can tag those 10 friends. So let me just do this task also. Click on follow, tweet, click on like, then click on retweet and click on quote tweet. Then you have to tag all of your 10 followers or friends, and then with the hashtag BSC. So click on this BSCB and then paste it here with using this hashtag. So click on retweet. Now click on retweet. After you have done the retweet, so now you can go back and make a post about BSC Bond project and tag us on Twitter. So you need to go back to the Twitter and you need to get make a tweet over there. So now open your Twitter and click on this icon, then write anything about this. This is an amazing write any positive comment about this and tag them as well, and click on this BSC Bond, tag this and click on tweet. Or you can write more information about this project. Means this is an amazing project, everyone must participate. Now click on tweet, and after you have done the tweet, you can go back to the Telegram channel. Now visit our website and read the light paper. You can click on this website, open the website and let it open. So you can just, and you also join the waitlist of there. So click on join waitlist. After you have opened the website, click on join waitlist and enter down your email. Enter here your email and click on join waitlist. Okay, now it's showing congratulations, you have successfully joined the waitlist. Kindly check your mailbox. So just clear it over there and click on submit my details. Click on done, as we have already joined both these things. Now we have click on just, or you can get your Twitter profile link from here. Open top 3 bars, click on this, click on the share button, click on share, top 3 dots, click on share and then click on copy to clipboard. Go back to the Telegram bot and just paste it over here. Remove the up to S and up to question mark, remove and then submit. Now click on done. Optional task, visit our website and join waitlist for NFT marketplace. This is an optional task. If you want, you can do this, or if you don't want, then you can also ignore it. So click on, you can do this as well. Open it, click on website and you need to join their waitlist. So we have already joined the waitlist as it's showing over there, this only. So click on done now. Submit address BP20. This address you can get from Trust Wallet, so or Binance. Better is to open the Trust Wallet here, copy your, go back to the bot and paste it and submit. Now you have done all the tasks successfully. Now you can share your referral link if you want. It's not necessary, it's not mandatory. If you want, you can share it with your friends and earn more tokens. Now let's move on to our third airdrop. This is this one, Burp token. Everyone will get $10 worth Burp tokens for joining. Click on this link now. Open it any browser. Now just wait for its opening. Let's just wait. Okay, after it has opened, now you need to enter your full name. In order to contact you will need an email, so you need to enter here your email. Now okay, by mistake I just entered my email here. You need to enter first your name, Now here you need to enter your email address. Click on this tick button and click on continue. Now you have to do all these tasks. Click on YouTube now and click on YouTube. After you have opened YouTube, choose any of your account to continue with your Gleam. So after you have opened with signed in with YouTube, you can also sign in with your Twitter or any other social media account. So after you have done this, you need to click on this follow Coinbar on Twitter. Click on this and click on follow. This is a lengthy video, so please have patience and join all the airdrops. You will surely get your rewards. After you just do all these tasks, you will surely get your rewards. Click on retweet. You can just like and retweet the pinned tweet as well. Click on continue. Now click on join our Telegram. Click on okay, we have already joined this. Click on join our Telegram and then join their Telegram group by clicking on the link and then click on continue. Now join the Coinbar Discord. Click on join, welcome, and open it on Discord app. As I said, Discord is necessary for many of the airdrops, because nowadays many airdrops are requiring a Discord account as well. So after you have joined this, go back to the page and click on continue. And you have already also done this. So if you want, you can also refer, but it's not mandatory. So if you refer, then you will get 10 extra burp tokens. So click on copy and you can also share it with your friends. So friends, that's all for this video. These are all the 3 airdrops. You should have patience and join all the airdrops which I post in my video, as you will surely get rewards for that. You just need to have patience and wait for the rewards distribution. When the rewards will be distribution, you will be delighted to know that, and it will be surely very satisfying for you to get huge earnings from these airdrops. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please support, like, share and subscribe, and also join my Telegram channel as well, where I always upload the best airdrops. Thank you.